in this video we're going to talk about Dalton's law of partial pressures, and this is going to show us how if we take different samples of gas and mix them together, if we keep the volume constant, we will be able to calculate the new pressure by simply adding together the pressures of the original sample. So here's a visualization of that idea. We've got two samples, P1 and P2. P1 is at 1 atm, P2 is at 2 atm. If we combine those two gases into the same container, and notice the volume is not changing, I now have a new pressure of 3 atm. So that's simply taking pressure 1 plus pressure 2 to get a total of 3. So the way this is typically written in an equation is your P total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus however many more samples that you have. So here's an example. We have the total pressure exerted by a mixture of helium, neon, and argon gases is 1.5 atm. What is the partial pressure in atmospheres of the neon if we know that the partial pressures of the other gases are both 0.25? So we know the total is the 1.50. We have helium, neon, and argon as our three samples. We don't know the pressure of the neon, but the other two we know are both 0.25. So if we add those two together, we come up with 0.5 plus whatever neon is. So that means that the neon must be 1 atmosphere.